Welcome. In front of me is a CAT S40 and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, all you need to do is just pop off this little cover right here. There we go. And you'll have space for the SIM card and SD card. So let's see. So using your fingernail you can pull this tray out like so. And as you can see here we have space for two different SIM cards. We can occupy one only if that's all you want to use. And additionally, the SIM tray is actually done correctly, so it holds the card in place and it won't actually fall out when you flip it upside down. So anyway, from there, insert it back where it came from. And SD card, all you need to do is just grab it like this, and as you can see, it kind of fits in here. Looks like we need to flip it over. So like so. As you can see, I did flip it over on the other side. It's not the, there we go, like this. So from there you want to push it all the way in, it will click into place, and you can just close the cover up and everything should work just fine. So SIM card is already working, as you can see. Confirm that. And SD card should work as well. Just see. Nope, not what I... There we go. There are settings. So let's look for the storage. There we go. Oh, and there we go. There's our SD card. So it as well works fine. So this is how you insert SIM and SD card into this device, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.